carry on from the video we were doing last time, but this time without Joshua. So yeah, without Joshua. Move please, Alex. Please.
Okay. Joshua might join on soon though.
Yeah, I'll let him join if he joins on soon because I don't really mind. But Alex,
Yeah.
why do you have another one of those things? Get rid of them in creative, okay? Get rid of them. Hey, we're in creative now. Get rid of them. And then now, guys, we're just gonna, come on, Alex. Come on, let's. Oh no, it's getting dark. Come on, let's sleep now.
No, we need to do it. I'll place 2 blocks to stop it.
What?
The creepers might come in.
Sleep.
No, but where does the creepers come in?
Come on, let's just sleep, and in the morning we'll sort this out.
Okay.
Oh no, I might suffocate.
What do you mean?
Come on, sleep. Just sleep. I'm waiting. Don't mind.
What happens if the doors shut? Will we suffocate?
No, but of course we won't. Just sleep now.
Okay.
Because let's just hope we don't start suffocating. Oh, we're suffocating in the wall. Damn it. Oh, I see it a spawn point here. I'm so lucky.
I killed it. I broke the block before I died.
Oh, then let's just make an empty block, okay? So we won't die again.
I'm just going to put Gex on my bed so I don't die there.
Yeah, I'm gonna add.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, sorry, but don't make it. Only make a small hole. Move, please. Move.
It's not night anymore.
I know, move, please.
I can't get out.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, back to day.
Yeah.
How close are you to dying?
Well, I respawned.
Well, I died.
I'm gonna place down a bookshelf. I'm gonna fix up my whole bed and stuff.
I don't know that you could suffocate doing that.
Yeah, because you have to make 1 block higher so you won't suffocate.
When you get out.
Yeah. Alex, come on.
Hey, don't help me make the emergency shelter?
No, we don't really need an emergency shelter.
But what happens if we
Oh, this is a good mining spot. I found a whole bunch of coal here.
So
This would be a mining spot now. Yeah, but yeah. So as I was saying, it's not much talking now because we're having an adventure. But Alex, go. I'm gonna. You go and find some cool stuff.
I kinda wish I could have brought my world up with my old secret base.
Yeah, I wish that as well, but too bad we didn't. But yeah, we were planning on making a video. It didn't really turn out the way we wanted. We wanted to live, but it didn't really work out. I got a brain stand.
Hey, Eric?
Yeah?
Do you have like conveyor belts?
What?
Conveyor belts.
What's conveyor belts?
I don't know. I've just seen it at school.
Oh, sorry, but we're gonna have a new friend join.
Like I said, Joshua may join and now is joining. I'm gonna go kill a cow.
Okay.
Oh, and I'm dying on the way down.
Be really careful. You have half a heart.
Yeah, I have half a heart.
Yeah. We have a new friend, remember Joshua from the last episode? Yeah, he's back on again. But, as you might know, we're gonna have a...
I've lost the cow.
You what, the cow?
I've lost the cow.
Oh well. But anyway, Joshua's joining. Don't do anything. I'm just gonna go into creative really quickly to get something.
Thank you.
Why? Golden apple. Get 1 golden apple.
Okay, 1 golden apple.
No, don't get anything, okay?
Oh, I found the cow. Do not.
Okay, I will not.
Okay.
Don't do anything.
Switch it back to survival.
Not yet. I still have to. What was I getting again? Oh, yeah. I beat. for Joshi. Sorry. But for Joshua.
Okay.
Survival now? We're now in survival. Come, I'll place a bed for Joshua.
Okay, I'm killing a black sheep. A baby sheep? A black sheep.
Okay.
Get it. Yeah, yeah. Come here. Sheep. Sheep?
I got some doors.
Oh, I got some sheep and some wool.
I've got
some black wool, raw beef.
Oh, there's another cow. There's another cow. No, sheep. Don't place down the wool. Oh. Who put this block there? Wait, but come. Did you place those two doors here?
I found a pig. I'm going for him, even with one heart.
Sorry. It's okay.
How do I get more hearts from dying?
You'll have to die.
Let's just see.
It's inside our house. Wait, did you change the permissions? Did you set it to dark?
No, it's getting dark by itself.
Yeah, but
And it's getting foggy.
Oh no. Come on, we should get back inside because that's always a bad sign.
I just want to get some meat. You said it's what?
As you're getting meat, I'm heading back inside because it's always a spooky sign. Come on.
Okay, I'm coming. What do I do? It's getting dark.
It's right here. It's that green bee. Come on. Don't sleep yet. We're not gonna sleep. We're gonna investigate because how could it be? He told you you're getting suffocated. Wait, I'll help. Here, saved you. There, now you can do it.
It's getting really dark outside.
Don't get any pressure.
I'm at half a heart. Someone hit me and I'm gonna die.
Then head back inside because foggy's always a weird sign.
And it's nighttime, that's why it got dark.
Come on, head back inside, Alex. Why is you standing outside?
Okay.
I'm still cooking my food. Oh, my food's still cooking.
Okay.
I'm cooking my food in the furnace. Don't touch my food. Okay? Oh no, I forgot. Oh no. Okay. Oh no! Wait, why did you change it? Oh no.
Talk about half the bad sign. Quickly get inside, close the door.
Yeah, that's just even better, but don't worry.
Maybe if we go to sequel past 5 within the day?
No, I'm just gonna quickly craft something.
Is that thunder? I think I'm suffocating.
You won't suffocate because oh, that's just the lantern. You're not suffocating.
Yep, it's raining and that's thunder.
Yeah. What happened?
I'm not sure.
I'm gonna put my stuff in the chest. Yeah, I'm just gonna put on the chest. And you know that they heard you, right? The microphone, I set it to full sensitivity. So they can hear my keyboard as well. But anyway, it's time to...
Oh look, it's gone back to daytime. Maybe we'll set... thunder...
Oh, creeper! Sleep now. Oh no. Okay, no, you go and sleep in your bed. Don't just sleep in my bed.
Okay.
I set a bed that will match our color. Oh, there's monsters around. We can't sleep. There's monsters around. Joshua, there's monsters around. See, it says you may not rest these nearby monsters. Oh, there's a zombie right at the door. Somebody kill it. Oh, why don't... Huh? There's no more. Let's sleep now. Something happened.
This place is creepy.
I know, right? I'm getting spooked. No.
It's foggy. Hey, look, we're back to sunny.
Yeah.
I can't see any monsters.
Yeah, but
Oh, zombie was nearby.
pick up all your stuff.
I can't get through the bed.
Yeah, pick up your pickaxe as well. Oh, fine.
Okay.
Here,
All the
give it to
nighttime
me.
creatures.
Oh!
I'll give that back.
Where? Let's just wait.
Okay, now we need to actually do it.
Oh! What? Who's that?
It's a spider. Oh,
Kill it,
your food's ready. Okay, I killed it.
Oh, my food's ready?
Yes.
Oh, thanks.
I'm just very hungry right now.
I'll take my food and I'll put my rest. Somebody can take the rest of my food.
Okay.
Why is there dirt in the chest? Who put dirt? I'm about to die. That's all I know. But
Yeah.
yeah, just weird water.
Yeah, clearly done.
Hey. Yeah. We're gonna be exploring. You might hear the sound of my cousin. Don't worry if you hear any of these sounds. Oh well. Come on, guys. I'm gonna have to die.
That's easy. Okay, now, sorry.
Just stop it.
Don't take my pork chop. Do not take my pork chop.
Wait there. Stay there, okay?
Me?
No. Everybody stay inside, okay? I'm heading out somewhere.
Yep. Yeah, I need to do.
Stay inside. Look, make sure that
It looks like nothing couldn't even get worse.
I'm gonna
Why is it snowing when there's rain?
don't know, but I'm gonna where's the thing? Where's some iron? I'm gonna make this electrical machine.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna change to creative. Don't do anything in creative.
I'm just checking the weather forecast. How?
Don't do anything in creative, I see.
I've done nothing.
Oh, sorry.
Looks
Okay.
like it's supposed to be sunny for the rest of the day.
That's just weird. That's just weird how you check the forecast.
Yeah, the really true forecast.
I'm gonna really quickly
Why
don't do anything in creative, you bud. I
are
warn
you
you.
clicking like 1,000 times?
Yeah, 19. Yeah. And then
Ow!
I'm gonna create this crazy machine at the top.
Okay,
Oh, creeper!
can they survive during day?
Yep, that creeper just blew me up.
You're alive though, right?
Yeah. It only took half a heart damage. Didn't take that much.
I will sacrifice myself for you if you get in trouble again. Where are you anyway?
So you don't even know where I am.
No.
Hey! I'm just above the mountain, okay?
I jumped on top of you, so I found. What are you making?
I'm just making some sort of crazy machine thing.
Is it gonna be a shooter gun?
No.
Does those things? What is it?
Don't do anything, okay?
What is it?
I got something to attract the lightning when it sets to lightning.
So, will it give us power?
No, but look. Stay there, don't. No, it's not going to give us power. You'll see. Go back inside, please. Go back inside the house, okay?
Mommy, I don't want to go back.
Just go. I'm serious
Okay,
now.
okay.
I'm pretty serious.
Okay.
When I'm done building the machine, I'll tell you to come back up.
I'm dying. Oh, I died.
Why are you dying? Get back inside the house.
I am, Mommy.
And don't call me Mummy.
I'm starting to die, Mommy. Watch me, Mommy. Watch me die.